Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Prestige Iris 1.0 Induction Cooktop. This particular induction cooktop comes with Indian menu options, anti-magnetic wall, timer with user preset, automatic voltage regulator. This is also made in India and is also a TTK certified product. Do we have any more information? Let's quickly take a look. More or less the same everywhere, so I will open this box. So this is what you will find inside the box. This is the user's manual for the Iris 1.0 from Prestige. Everything that you want to know. This is a lot of information actually, how to use your cooktop, what are the different parts and components, what are the important safeguards, the do's and don'ts, helplines, and also the warranty card and warranty. There's the warranty serial number over here as well. It's a very important document, you should keep it safe. Now let's take a look at the cooktop itself. So this is what the cooktop looks like. This is the ceramic plate that will heat up when you want to cook food. An important notice is given over here that says the ceramic plate is hot after cooking. Please don't touch with your hand. This is a very important notice, by the way. So what happens is, even after you have stopped using it, even after you have removed the plug, removed the source of power, the plate remains heated. It remains very hot for a really long time. This, by the way, this plate reaches a temperature of 200 plus degrees Celsius. So you should be very careful not to touch this part even after you have done cooking. So what happens is, after you're done cooking, it takes a while to cool down, and what cools this plate down is this fan over here. This is the cooling element of this particular cooktop. So what happens, this fan will run throughout your cooking procedure, and once you have switched it off and once you're done cooking, this fan will keep running to cool down the ceramic plate on top. Moving on, this is the control panel. You will notice there's an LCD display right over here. This comes with 4 presets over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are pressure cook, deep fried, those are chapati and curry. There are some, there's idli, saute and heat milk over here as well. So these are the 7 Indian menu options. This red button is the on off button, and these 2 buttons are the plus minus button, are for changing temperature and or time. Do we have anything else? There are 4 anti-slip rubber stops over here as well. This will give you a little bit of stability when you put it on a flat surface. And you also have a thick PVC power cable with a 3-pin plug on one end. This is what you find inside the box containing the Prestige Iris 1.0 Induction Cooktop. Thank you for watching.